Uh, Good morning to Samek and all of all my teammates. Today we will be presenting our assignment one, BFN 20103, which is our chosen bank is CIMB Bank. And then this is my team member. My name is Westin Diman, and followed by M. Taufik Hidayat and also Roy Fredilin and Arjun. So I will pass to my first presenter.
All right. Thank you, Westin. So for the introduction, this presentation provides an analysis of CIMB Bank within the financial environment of Malaysia. It examines economic impact, regulation, financial challenge, and strategy for improvement. Right. All right. Move on. All right. Now I will talk about the history and background of CIMB Bank. CIMB Bank has founded at 1919 as Ban Hin Lee Bank, which is we call it BHLB. It founded in Penang, um, Penang, Malaysia, and primarily serving local business and trader. And at 1974, it transformed into Pertanian Baring Sanwa Multinational Bank PBSM, and a joint venture between a Malaysian bank and foreign partner that aiming to expand its financial service. And at 1986, it's rebranded as Commerce International Merchant Banker CIMB, and is shifting its focus to investment banking and corporate finance. On 1999, it merged with Bank of Commerce BOC to form CIMB Berhad, and is strengthening its position in the banking sector. And on 2005, it acquired Bumi Putra Commerce Bank, which is BCB, which led to the formation of CIMB Group Holding and marking significant expansion in retail banking. On 2007, it entered the Indonesian market by acquiring and merging PT Bank Niaga and PT Bank Lipo into CIMB Niaga, enhancing its regional presence. On 2008, it's rebranded again as a CIMB Group and continue expanding into Thailand, Singapore, and the Philippines, and it becoming a key player in Southeast Asia. And 2018, it shifted focus toward digital banking and fintech, adapting to modern banking trend and customer demand. Like we all know, we have uh, do it now so that we can easily transfer money. And for now, CIMB already become the largest bank in the Southeast Asia, offering a wide range financial service, including retail banking, corporate banking, and investment banking across the multiple country. So I will move to another presenter.
Thank you, Taufik. For the main business activities, what is CIMA doing? They offer personal and business banking, where personal or companies that wanted to start up in doing their activities in business or selling their product, they can asking for bank to lend them some money and will be repayment back. And next, for investment banking, so this is where the bank helps the company in raise funds, manage risk, and handle mergers and acquisitions. And we're going to Islamic banking, where it is provided a Sharia compliant finance service. For wealth, next, wealth management, where offer investment option and insurance financial planning advice for customer. And finally, digital and fintech services, where right now we have like CMB Click, Do It Now, Do It and Do It Now as our 21st century planning and payment. So let's see impact of the Malaysian financial environment. Firstly, interest rate, where this is affect borrowing and profit margin. Secondly, government regulation, where CIMB is tied with compliance with Bank Negara Malaysia BNM policies. Thirdly, economics condition, where it affects consumer spending and investment. And finally, digital transformation, which is focused on fintech and mobile banking. So, in spite of this uh, banking, they should have a financial manager where we will see in the first one, risk management, where EWRM management, where this framework inclusive the company holistic approach to enterprise-wide risk management and the basis of risk governance within a CIMB, ensuring methodical in identification and proper handling of all risks to protect the bank financial health and sustain operational resilience of the bank. And secondly, sustainable sustainability risk management, where CIMB already is a big bank in Southeast Asia, so they need out come out with one strategy which they call sustainability risk management framework, where this is anchored to accurate recognition, assessment, and management of environmental, soc- social, economics, and ethical risks. The which means the bank accept the sustainable issue that gain currency in financial sector, also redefine and enhance responsible practice in risk management. And we're going to the point three, compliance with governance and ethical banking, where in this part, governance of infrastructure consider here comprise risk assessment tools such as Bank Negara Malaysia, which enabling effective risk identification and evaluation of mitigation measures that apply to specific risks, such as sorry, also detection of the sustainable related risk signal would be possible through extensive data analysis and monitoring system, which allowed the company or the bank to manage risk under the bank operation and with reasonable trust, transparency and accountability. And finally, for financial planning and investment strategies, where CMB Bank, they have their own security. One of it is financial planning is three line of defense, where roles and responsibility concerning sustainability of the risk team will be identified. And then also for uh, CIMB adopt a sustainability risk management framework that includes that is a part of operational risk management regime. This make bank to optimize risk management while still being true to its commitment concerning all environmental, social, and governance (ESG) matters. In this way, CIMB will able to promote sustainable finance and at the same time preserve the best interests of its future business. And I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Wistin. And very good morning again to my team. Today I will discuss the key challenge in the Malaysia financial environment. Okay. First, economy full fluctuation, affecting loan and asset quality. Change in economic condition, such as inflation or recession, can impact the ability of borrower to repay loans, leading to increased financial risk for bank. Okay, for example, during an economic downturn, more individual and business may default on their loan, reducing asset quality. Okay, second, uh, regulatory, regulatory compliance costs and complexities. Bank must comply with strict financial regulation, which can be costly and complex, uh, ensuring to anti-money laundering for AML laws and data protection regulation requires significant resource and investments in compliance system. Okay, next is competition from fintechs and digital banks. The rise of financial technology companies and fully digital banks is reshaping the banking landscape. This new player offer convenience and innovative financial service, challenging traditional banks to adapt and extend their digital offering. Okay, lastly is impact of global financial trend on local banking operation. Uh, Global economy shifts such as change in interest rates. So currency transaction or geopolitical event can influence the Malaysia financial sector. For instance, a rise in US interest rate may lead to capital outflow from Malaysia, affecting local bank liquidity and investment opportunities. Okay, next slide. Okay, we already talked about a challenge. Now we suggestion for improvement. So for improvement, first we have a strength operational resilience. This means bank must ensure they can continue operating smoothly even during crisis, such as economic downturn or cyber attack. Okay, for example, like investing in stronger cyber security system can help prevent customer data breach. Okay, second is exchange digital banking service. With rapid technological advancement, bank must provide a seamless and user-friendly digital experience. For instance, mobile banking apps that offer instant transaction with no extra fees can, how to say that, significantly improve customer safety vision. Okay, next is optimize capital and risk management. Bank need to maintain financial stability by managing their capital wisely and reducing exposure to financial risk. For example, closely monitoring non-performing and loans can help minimize potential loss. Okay, the lastly, life changes with national financial policies. This ensure the bank comply with regulations set by financial authorities and contribute to national economic goal. Okay, for example, is a bank can support government initiative by providing loan for small and medium enterprise to boost economic growth. By employing this strategic, bank can strengthen their operation, extend customers' trust, and contribute to a more stable financial system. Okay, thank you.
Conclusion. CIMB Bank operate in a dynamic financial environment shaped by regulation, economic trend, and digital transformation. To maintain stability and growth, it must enhance resilience and adapt to regulatory change and invest in financial technology. All right. Uh, right. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.